Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 33 POS System in Laravel 11.0 cell. How to expense, display the record and implement search in Laravel 11. And this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my Gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost PSP. My admin inside this POS underscore system. And this is a database. Inside this is available. This is a expense table. And this table record is available. This table record. And this is a show. After this is a filter is a implementation. And this is my project is available gem folder inside this htdoc directory, and this is a project. This project is already open. This is my sublime text editor. Let's this directory inside cmd open. Successfully working this project directory inside cmd. Let's run PSP artisan server. PSP artisan server. And successfully working this project. Copy this URL and hit this browser. Successfully working fine. Let's admin password is 1234567889 and click this login and not now. Successfully working fine. This is all good. Let's click this expense, and this is available. This is a list file, and this URL is a copy and route inside this web.php open. Route inside web.php open. Successfully this is available, and this is a expense controller is already implementation previous video. And this is a route is available. This get method, and inside this list function is available. If http controller, and this is expense inside this is a list. Good working this list control. Return expense list view inside this is a expense, and this is a list file. This is a list file is available, and this is available on only simple way. This is a add expense inside this is a table is a format is a implementation. This is a table is a set. Let's step by step. Table is a implementation inside, and this is a table is available. Member inside this is a list. This is a list inside this table is available. This is a table is available. This is a table. T body means same T body is a copy. This is a T body. This T body copy. Please wait this T body copy and close this file. Inside this remove, and this is extra is not used. This remove. This forest loop is not used. Remove. This not used. Remove. This is all good is a remove. Save file. Please write down. This is a part inside this. Write down step by step. This write down, and inside this write down. All implementation. This is a T body is a implementation simple way. Please write down. Let's save file. Successfully available. This is a let's first of all this is ID is available. Second is a description. Let's same copy, and this is a description. This is a description is a created. Good working. Second is a third is a amount. This amount and action is a not used, and this is a 5 record. 5 is a column is a showing. This is a 5 created and updated 5. Let's refresh this page. Successful ID, description, amount, and created and updated date. And this is a working fine. Please write down. This is only simple tasks. This is a table is a write down. Let's save file. And this is a open. Inside this one condition is implement $data get record is equal to this is a paste here expense model, and this is a get. Save file, and this is a $data is a pass here. This is a $data pass here successfully pass, but this is a model is available. Model inside this is a expense model. This is a expense model is available, and this is a expense table. This is a table is available expense table. Good working this expense table, and successfully inside this implement and get same copy, and this is open. Inside this is implementation. This is a for loop for s, and this is a paste here. Get record is a paste here, the same name copy in this data pass here in this paste here is $value, and this is a end tbody end for s. Let's tr ntd tr inside this td value inside this available. First id is a set id. Okay, this is good, great work. Second is available, and this is available, and this all available. This is a description. Next is a amount. This is a created date, and last is a updated date. Save file. Successfully this forest loop is a implementation. Let's refresh this page, and this is a available 1 2 3 amount created and updated. This description all successfully shared. This is a fine. Successfully this record is a get this 3 record is available. Inside this 3 record is a available. Good working. This is a fine. Let's inside this is a record is a not available. The forest condition is implement. This is a next. First of all, this is a search bar is a implementation. Inside this search bar is a implementation. This is a condition is a all successfully implementation. Please write down only short name, this short time. Let's inside this search filter is a implementation. Search filter is a implementation. Search start, and this is a condition is a apply end. This comment is a search end. Inside search box is a implementation step by step. First of all, this is a br tag is a implementation br tag. And br tag inside this is a div is a create. First of all, this is a div. This div create, and div is a close this. Next is a again div is a create and header. Card header is a create. Card header is a create. S3 class card title search expense. Save file. Let's refresh this page. Successfully available search expense. Good working. This is a fine. Search expense is a working fine. This is a all good. Inside this is a implementation form. Form is get method wise. Form is a set. Get method form. Div class card body. Div class row, and this is the first is a div goal group, and this is a close this, and label, and this is the label means id is a set. This id input type is a txt text. Name is a id. This is id. Placeholder is a id, and this is a class form is a form controller. Save file. Successfully all good. This is a save file. Let's refresh this page, and this is a available. This is a id. id means this is a id. First name is a id. Same name is id is a inside this include name is id, and this same name is a copy and paste here, and this is a name is a description. Let's description. This is a name is a description. All good, and this is a description, and this description, and this is a 3. Save file, and this is a big box. Good working. Let's next is a amount. Same name is a copy and paste here, and this is a amount means available. This is a amount. Same name copy amount, and this amount and this is the amount. The same is the amount is set, and this is the 2 number. Amount is a very small amount. This is any amount is a set. This is a last of amount is a set. Last is a created and updated date is a set. The same name, copy and paste here. This is a name is a last is a created add. This copy created it, and this is a date filter, and this amount means number. Amount means number, and this is a date created 8. The same name is a placeholder is a not used. This not use. Second last is a updated date. This is available updated date. This updated date is a set. Update date 8. Save file. Successfully save file and refresh this page. All good. This is a date format is a set. All good. This date format. Less description is a very big column. Less implementation description is a, this is a part is a 5. Let's set this 5, not a third. This is a all description is a very long. This ID, description, amount, date and updated. This is a all successfully set. Please write down this search box. All write down. First of all, this name vice ID. This name is a description. Name is a amount. And this created, and last is a update. Please write down inside. This all good. Last is a 2 button is a implementation. This is a 2 button. Div clear, style div clear bath is a implementation. Please write down. This is a div class call md12 style margin top 15 px button class btn primary type submit source a tag is a create a tag class btn success means reset, and this is a save file, and this is implementation. This is a reset page is a url means this same url is a copy admin. This is the url is copy and paste here. Successfully working fine. Please write down this working fine. Let's refresh this page. Successfully all good. Let's click this reset. As it is a working, reset is a good. Let's inside this description is a yet, amount is a yet, and click this reset, and this form is a completely reset. This is a good. Let's implementation. This is a search box is the implementation and pagination. Let's first of all this pagination is a implementation. This pagination, and this is a pagination is a set in the simple way is a pagination. Only simple way in this is a pagination is a set this pagination, not a extra work. This pagination. Let's to record in this pagination is a get all good, and this is a order by is a set order by id descending, otherwise ascending. This is a pagination is a successfully set this to record. Let's save file, and this pagination record link is a implementation. This member inside this available same link is a copy and paste here this link. Copy, close this file inside this. Please write down this pagination link. This is a get record is already available. This same get record save file, and this 2 record in pagination is a show. Good working. This 3 and 1 2 is available, and this is a second page is available 1 record. This pagination is a good working. This is a fine. This is a fine, successfully fine, and this pagination is a removed, but this is a 20 record after automatically is a pagination is a shown. This pagination is a 20 record after automatically is a pagination is a show. Good working. This is a fine. All successfully. This is a hide. Pagination is a automatically hide 20 record after set. And this is a record not found, and this is a available for a loop. This for less loop. The same name is only simple. This is the same for less. And inside this available for us, this same sense, and inside this is a end, and for us inside this is a else part is a set, and this simple when this is a record is a not found. This is a search record is a not found. Only simple way as it is a working fine, but database table record not available. This is a record not found. This is a, as it is a working fine. Refresh this page, and this is a refresh this page successfully. Why error? This is okay. This is my problem. This is a wait. This is a is empty, and this is a let's check. This is why not is empty. Yes, this is a is empty. This is empty name, not a else part. This is a empty. Empty is a set. This is a empty, not a else part. Let's refresh this page. And this is a working fine as it is. Please write down this is a file. Step by step write down this is a for s, and this is empty, and this is a for less, and this is a pagination is a set. Pagination is a not a good working this provider and app service provider, and this is a pagination is a available pagination, and this is a pagination bootstrap is a available. This is a please implementation this provider inside this available. This is a please implementation, otherwise pagination is a not a good this app service provider. Let's close this, and inside this open, and this is a pagination, this is a close, and this is a inside this is a remove, this is a remove, and step by step implementation. This is a $get record, same name is a $get record. This record is a copy, and inside this is $get record is equal to this same name, and this is a same name is a copy, paste here is equal to again this $data get record, save file. This is a successfully save file. This is a $data is inside this past year, same here, otherwise inside this same copy and paste here. In this is the same name is a $get a record in this paste here, and this is a paste here. The same different work is a available. Let's save file as it is a working fine, not a good, but this is a long code. This is a hacker is a not a code. This not. Let's search bar is a start and search end. This is a save file. First $if request id. The same name is a copy, and this is a id is a pass here. This is a id is a pass. Good working this id. Second is the same here, if $request second. First is id is a set. This is a id. This id is a set. Second is available this description. The same name is a description. This same copy and paste here, and this is a description, and this is a is equal to is a remove, and this is a like query, and this is a dot and set percentage and dot percentage save file. Next is a amount, same name is a amount. Please write down this is a amount. This amount all good. And last is a created and updated. That same is a paste here and paste here. This created and updated. That this is a paste here, and this is available inside this created and updated date. Same copy this created and updated date. Okay, this amount is my missing, this description is my missing. Please write down this first, second is a description, third is a amount, fourth is a created date, and last is a updated amount. This means updated date amount, not updated date. All good. Please write down all good. The search filter is successfully working fine. Let's refresh this page. Inside this is 1 2 3 is available. Let's 9 number is not available. This 9 number and search, and successfully no record found. This is a working fine. This is a condition is a working fine. No record found. All good. Less 3 number is available. This is a 3 number. Less 3 number is a set. This is a 3 number and search, and this is a 3 number is a show, but inside this is a remove. Less 2 number is a search, and this is a 2 number search, but inside this remove. Less implementation view, but in this is a view is a implementation dollar request, in this is a not a show. Less value, this value is a implementation request id same file. Second is the same name, copy and paste here, and this is a description. All good. Save file, and this is the last is a amount. This same name is a copy and paste here amount, and this is a created and updated date. This created and updated date. Save file, successfully save file. This is a all good working. This is the id, description, amount, created date and update. Successfully all save, and refresh this page, and this is a 2 and search, and this successfully 2 number is a set. This is a good, and this is a good, and this third number is a select, and this is as it is a working third number show, and this is a 10 number. Click this 10 and search. This is a 10 number is a shown, but inside record not found. All good. This is a good working. This is a all successfully fine. This is a value is a done. Next is a this is a part is a select search, and this is a search. All good. Let's click this reset. This is a fine. This amount is a 789, and click this search 789 and search only. This is a working fine. Let's but inside this is date speaker, in this is 24 into 7. Let's yesterday is a date is a search, and this is a available. This is a date is a available. This good. Let's today is a date is a not available. Let's search, and this is a not a available. Let's this is a all successfully set. This updated SAM is a working fine, but date speaker is a not a good. Let's date speaker is a set, means date format wise is a set. This is a date is a not a good. Let's date format is a set. Date D M Y str to time, and cut and paste here. Date D M Y str to time, and this is a cut, and inside this paste here. Save file. Successfully file is a save, and refresh this page, and working fine. This is a date format is a successfully set. Let's inside this date is a sense, and this is a date is a sense, and this refresh this page. Let's select this is a 1 2, in this is a date in select 1 2. select only single this record, not other record. Good, working. This that format is a working fine, all good. This is a file all successfully set, and this is my official website errorsolutioncode.com. We are held to help 24/7 WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. I am always anytime available. And this is my channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow all social media link, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Please write down, this is a first of all, this is a step by step. Write down, this is a list file, and this is a model, and this is a all search box is a start inside this search, all step by step. Write down, this is a all good. And this previous video is a implementation. This is a add, and click this add new, and this is a all successfully set. This is amount, and this submit, and this is a fourth new record is a create. This is a working fine. This is a record is a save, and this fourth record is a create and save inside. This previous video please check, otherwise not a good. This is a successfully, this fourth record is a create, and this record is a create. Let's search fourth number, and this is only search fourth, all good. And this is a 2, and this search, and this 2 number, all good. And this is 20 is not available. Let's search, and this 20 is not available, all good. This record not found. Inside this is a same is a done is search, done is a search, and the simple way is a done is a available. This is good. Otherwise this is search but not available, record not found, only same. Otherwise part is a search, this is a part search successfully, this is a part is a available, good, working. Inside this part is a available. This is a multiple condition is a implementation. This is a reset button, all record show. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. And this 7 number and 7 number is a search. This is a 7, and this is a 2 record is a show. Let's search record, and this is a 2, this 7 and this 7 is a working fine, all good. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.